families have been torn apart by this deadly disease. Coronavirus, an invisible killer, is leaving scars of grief that will be seen and felt for generations. Christopher and Isabel Vallely, married for just over 53 years, raised 3 children. They died in the same hospital in Belfast, in the same room, 12 hours apart.
We still can't believe it, we got the phone call about mum, and then within hours we got the phone call about dad.
Fiona Vallely and her family are trying to cope with the deaths of both her parents within a single day.
You don't realise we've seen, firsthand what this can do to a family, and it's happened to both our parents.
The human loss now even greater, with the largest day-on-day rise in the number of deaths since the outbreak began.
The increase in the number of deaths is deeply shocking, disturbing, moving. And that's one of the reasons why it's so important that people maintain the social distancing measures in order to improve and increase the resilience of the NHS and to slow the spread of the disease.
But the number of COVID cases appears to have reached a plateau, perhaps a glimmer of hope.
Maybe some green shoots, but the last thing I would want is a message to anybody that this is a time to take our foot off the pedal.
Among those who've died, 108-year-old Hilda Churchill. She lived through 2 world wars and the 1918 Spanish flu outbreak, the world's deadliest pandemic. Her family says she'll be much missed.
And I was explaining to her how there was cancelling flights and things like that to help prevent the spread of it. And then she referred back to the Spanish flu, saying, well, we didn't have planes back then, but it's still carried over from country to country. She said it's just difficult to believe how something you can't see can be so devastating to the human race.
Behind every single statistic, more families now in mourning. Angus Walker, ITV News.